your chicken. Chicken has feathers. What else has feathers, Caleb? Okay, a rooster. A rooster. It says cock-a-doodle-doo. It's got the purple tail feathers. That's a rooster. All right, what else has feathers, Brandon?
An eagle.
The what?
An eagle.
Is it your turn to talk? I have your point because you're talking out of turn. Brandon raised his hand quietly, and that's why I called on him. Brandon, what were you saying? A bird. Very good. A bird has feathers. Circle your bird. Is that all of the animals you see that have feathers? Yes. Now we need to talk about the animals that do not have feathers, and we're going to put an X on them. Who sees something that does not have feathers, Tremia?
Snake.
A snake. Put an X on your snake. What else does not have feathers, Ariana?
Worm.
Worm. Good. The worm does not have feathers. And there is one more. Kyson? The frog. Very good. Put an X on your frog. Why did I put an X on those pictures?
Because they don't have feathers.
Very good. They do not have feathers. They are different. All right, look across the page. All right, we're going to look at number 2. There's an apple beside it. All right, I want us to think about animals that have wings. Raise your hand if you can tell me what animals with wings can do. Trista? They can fly. Very good. We talked about flying earlier. Let me see you fly your arms. Animals with wings can fly. Very good. Now let's look at number 2. It says draw a circle around the animals that have wings and put an X on the animals that do not have wings. So we need to circle the ones with wings and X the ones that do not. Which ones can I circle? Kyson?
The eagle.
The eagle. The eagle has wings. What else has wings, Tremia?
A bird.
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 We've got 2 birds, so we can circle both of our birds. They have wings. Is that the only ones with wings?
Yes.
Yes. Now I need to find the ones that do not have wings. Which ones don't have wings?
The horse and frog.
The horse and the
Squirrel.
squirrel. So we can put an X on both of them. Are you paying attention with us? You don't have anything on your paper that Miss Mason's been doing with you. Eyes up here. They're just different kinds of birds. Birds can be all different colors. Number 3. Look at your rabbits. It says draw a circle around the rabbits that are white and put an X on the rabbits that are not white. So you do that. Circle the ones that are white and put an X on the rabbits that are not white. You should be working on your paper. You should be circling your white rabbits and putting an X on the rabbits that are not white. Number 4, look at your cows. It says circle the cows that are brown and mark an X on the cows that are not brown. You practice that on your paper. Circle the cows that are brown. Write an X on the ones that are not brown. So we're sorting them, brown cows and not brown cows. Number 5, on the puppy dogs. It says circle the dogs that have spots and put an X on the dogs that do not have spots. So look closely, and if they have spots, you can circle them. If they do not, you need to what? Exit. Look for the dogs with spots. Look for this spot. If he has spots, circle him. If he does not have spots, put an X. You need to circle those dogs that have spots. You should have those dogs circled. If they have spots, circle them. If they do not, put an X. Sorting them. The ones that have spots and the ones that do not have spots. Yes. Yes. He's got a big white spot, so you could circle him. He doesn't have a lot of spots, but he does have one big white spot. Yes. What? Okay. Alright, let's turn that page over. Alright, we're going to sort our birds up top on number 6. It says circle the birds that are green and mark an X on the birds that are not green. So which ones are you circling? The green ones. What are you doing to the other ones? Put an X. You should be circling. I should not see you sitting there. You will be sitting right here when everybody is put that recess doing your math work because you're not working with this. There's no reason for you to be sitting there. Circle your green birds. Put an X on the birds that are not green. Tristan, come circle our green birds. Good, those are our green birds. Kindle, come put an X on the birds that are not green. Check your answers. All right, very good. Number 7. It says draw a circle around the animals that have tails and put an X on the animals that do not have tails. So you circle. Which ones have tails? Which ones do not have tails? Tails and no tails. does not have a tail. We're not in the trees. You're on the wrong page. This one does not have a tail. The next one. Very good. Only one animal did not have a tail. Which one was it? The frog. The frog. So all of your other animals should be circled. I'm not sure why we're on the page that has the tree on it, but that's not the page Miss Meese has on the board. Sit up in your chair, put your feet under the table, and make sure you're keeping up. All right, number 8. I want you to put your pencils down and we're going to think about these pictures. It's already sorted some animals for us. So we've got some animals up top in the top box, and it's got some animals on the bottom in the bottom box, and they've already sorted them. And I want you to think about why they put these animals up top and then why they put the other animals on the bottom. Think about it for a minute. Think about why the animals are up top and why the ones are on the bottom. Alright, Eli, why do you think those animals are up top? Very good, because they have stripes. A zebra, a tiger, and a skunk all have stripes. Do our animals on the bottom have stripes? No, they do not have stripes, so they are different, and we put them in another group. So now it wants us to draw a picture of another animal that we could put with our stripes. Somebody raise their hand and tell me a picture of an animal that has a stripe that I could put up there, Trista.
A zebra.
Okay, we've already got a zebra. Can you think of something else that has a stripe?
A monkey. A tiger.
Raise your hand.
A tiger.
We've already got a tiger. Think of something new.
Monkey.
Keep thinking. Tyson, what else has a stripe on it?
A rabbit. A tiger shark.
Okay, a tiger shark. Good. We could draw a tiger shark. All right, there's my tiger shark.